Understanding the phrase, play a losing game. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English expression, play a losing game. This phrase is a gem in the English language, often used to describe situations that might not be immediately clear to English learners. So, let's break it down together and explore its meanings, uses, and how you can incorporate it into your own English conversations. Stay with us to master this intriguing expression. Play a losing game refers to engaging in an action or pursuing a course where success is unlikely or impossible. It's like participating in a game where the odds are heavily stacked against you, suggesting that no matter how hard you try, winning or achieving your goal is out of reach. This phrase can be applied to various aspects of life, including competitions, business strategies, negotiations, or personal endeavors. To better understand, play a losing game, let's look at some examples. 1. In sports. Imagine a football team trailing by a significant margin with only a few minutes left on the clock. Commentators might say they are playing a losing game, because it's highly unlikely they'll turn the match around. 2. In business, a company continues to invest in a failing product despite clear market signals it won't succeed. They are playing a losing game by not adapting their strategy. 3. Personal life. Persisting in a relationship where one party is clearly uninterested can also be seen as playing a losing game, where the desired mutual commitment is improbable. When you want to use play a losing game, it's important to assess the situation's context. This phrase is best used in scenarios where an effort continues despite foreseeable failure. It's a way to express skepticism or concern about the chosen path. You can use it in both formal and informal discussions, but remember, the tone can sometimes be seen as discouraging or critical, so use it wisely. Understanding and using expressions like play a losing game can enrich your English vocabulary and help you communicate more effectively. It's a powerful phrase that conveys a complex situation succinctly. We hope this video has shed some light on how to understand and use this expression in your daily English. Remember, learning a language is a journey filled with discovery and growth. Keep exploring, and don't hesitate to play the game of learning, even if it seems tough at times. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.